Good morning. This is an art video for Mumbai Montessori Teacher Training Institute, and today I'm going to be showing you the thumb painting. Right, we are going to use our thumb to do the thumb painting. So for that I have a 4A drawing book paper, some paints, some water, some felt pens, and so let's just start our thumb painting now. So first I dip my thumb in the red paint this way. If I want, I can take some water and I dip my thumb in the red paint, and now with the help of some beautiful balloons I'm going to show you the thumb painting. So I am going to place my thumb on the drawing paper this way, and that's one balloon, and I am going to paste my thumb again on the paper, and this is my second balloon. I will just take a little bit more paint and dip it on the balloon so I get my balloons nice and colorful. And now I'm going to wash this. I'm going to wash my thumb and I'm going to wash the red paint off, clean my fingers and my hands again, and now I'm going to go and use another color to get another balloon. So over here I have the green paint, and I'm going to put my thumb in the green paint and see that it's well covered, and I'm going to get a green balloon, and again I'm going to put my thumb in the green paint and I'm going to get a green balloon. Yes, just like that. And now let me wash the paint off my thumbs, and I'm going to go to my third color now, and that is the lovely blue color that I have taken, the blue paint. I'm going to put some water in the paint, and I'm going to dip my thumb once again in the blue paint to get a blue balloon, and I'm again going to dip my thumb in the blue paint to get another blue balloon. So this way I have got different colorful balloons, like you can see, and they are flying right up in the air. So this is the string that I use for my balloons, and this is the blue color felt pen I used to create my strings, and this is my orange felt pen that I used to create my strings. And here you can see I have some lovely colorful balloons with their strings flying up in the air. This is my thumb painting. Thank you.